Oh, I clicked away. Has anybody seen this experiment before? So here's what they did. I don't know who comes up with these experiments. This was done a long time ago. Actually, it's been repeated numerous times to see if it actually would work, and it still holds true. So they put a bunch of monkeys in a room, and then the scientists come into the room, and they put a ladder in the room, and they put a bunch of bananas on top of the ladder. And then they leave the room to see what the monkeys do. And predictably, the monkeys are like, ooh, bananas! And they go running across the room to climb the ladder to go get the bananas. And the moment they go climbing across, or to go climbing up the ladder to get the bananas, the researchers spray them off the ladder with a fire hose, with water, high-pressured water. So the monkeys get sprayed off, and they're like, what's up with that? And they're like, bananas! And so they go try to get the bananas, but every time they go try to climb the ladder, the researchers spray them off the ladder with water. Finally, the monkeys are like, I'm not going to get the bananas, and they just leave them. So the bananas sit there, and the researchers are like, well, this is no fun. So what they do is they go in and they take half the monkeys out of the room, and they replace them with a new set of monkeys. So now you have half of the monkeys are the original monkeys, half of the monkeys are new monkeys. They come back in, they put bananas on top of the ladder, and predictably, the old monkeys are like, I know, I've seen this before. So they do nothing. The new monkeys are like, ooh, bananas! And they go running across the room to get the bananas. But before the researchers can spray them off the ladder, the old monkeys run over and beat them off the ladder. And beat them up. Because they're like, what are you thinking? We don't go get the bananas. So finally, the new monkeys stop trying to get the bananas because they're like, I don't want to get beat up. So the researchers are like, okay, let's change this up. So they go and they take all of the original monkeys out of the room and they replace them with a new set of monkeys. So now you have the middle set of monkeys and a new set of monkeys, and they come and they put the bananas on the ladder. Predictably, the middle set of monkeys are like, I'm not going to go get the bananas. The new monkeys are like, ooh, bananas! And they go running across the room to get the bananas, and the middle set of monkeys beat them up. Now, neither set of monkeys in this environment now have ever been sprayed with water. But the middle set of monkeys beat up the other monkeys because they have learned we don't do that. So here's the question. The question is, who are the monkeys in your life? Who are the monkeys that are stopping you from getting the bananas, that are holding you back, that are preventing you from moving forward because they, for whatever reason, and we'll get to that. Who are the monkeys in your life, or what are the monkeys in your life? What are the things, or who are the people that hold you back from being the you that you want to be?